Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elektra deliciosa espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work as we had to do a tune-up, which means we cleaned completely the whole group head, polish it as well, replace the gasket of the group head itself, also polish around inside of it, and we also had to replace the power cord because the older power cord of the machine was just playing at the end and it could potentially be a electric hazard. So we did replace that. We already had this machine on for a while, so we can test this group head. Also depressurized as well because this one is a heat exchanger, so that means the heat exchanger that is inside the boiler will eventually reach the exact same temperature as the steam boiler. And you try to brew coffee with that, you're basically going to burn it. So we're just cooling it down and make sure it's nice, it's a nice gentle stream coming out from the group head. And after that we can start, we can try to do an espresso shot. Okay, that was enough water for the heat exchanger to get up to temperature. And now let's try to brew a shot. Alright, so now that we have the espresso cup, let's try to brew one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm going to be using one of the buttons over here, even though, there you go. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter. It's going to channel a little bit through because probably I tampered a bit too hard on some of the portafilter itself. But as you can see, we're seeing a nice steady flow coming out from the portafilter itself, and we're going to get nice crema. We are also using our test coffee, so apologies if we don't get like a proper shot. We're using our test coffee.
I might be on the road. I never made that transition. I'll take a look at that. All right. Well, I appreciate it, and then I'll come by again when the troubleshooting the other way. All right. Thanks again.
As you can see, the water is changing through the portafilter basket, and we're also getting a nice crema. Just to mention, we do not have the original portafilter basket of that portafilter. We are using one of our own from Bianca, and it's not really the basket for this portafilter. I'm going to manually stop this one, and as you can see, nice shot of espresso, really good crema coming out from this machine, nice and thick. Even though we're using our test coffee, we have a nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Steamer, as you can see, definitely steaming properly. Excellent pressure coming out from the steamer 1. An amazing pressure coming out from the hot water. Again, great pressure coming out from the group head itself, and just working, and this machine is just working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Elektra deliciosa working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.